You need to hear this if you're a pet owner. Why do cats rule the pet world? Stick around to find out. So, cats versus dogs, the ultimate pet showdown. This debate is older than time itself, and folks feel strongly about their fur babies. But let's talk cats. They're independent, low maintenance, and full of quirky surprises. Unlike dogs who need constant attention and walks, your feline friend is perfectly content chilling on the windowsill. Here's the kicker: cats are perfect for small living spaces. Their calming presence can turn any apartment into a Zen palace. So, next time you're debating the pet of choice, remember these cat-tastic perks. Got a pet preference? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to check out our next video on top cat care tips. Meow you later.